Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing how I made this motion activated rubbish bin. At the front, we have an ultrasonic sensor to determine if something is close to the bin. To open the lid, I'm using a servo motor which is mounted at the back along with 4 AA batteries which power all the electronics. Inside the bin is an Arduino Uno running the code. So first up, I measured and drilled holes for the ultrasonic sensor. As I didn't have a large enough drill bit, I had to use my soldering iron to make the holes big enough and then clean up using a box cutter. If you have a 15mm drill bit or step bit, that will work much better. Next, I marked up and drilled 4 holes for mounting the batteries on the outside and the Arduino on the inside. I programmed the Arduino with the code on screen, which will be pasted in the pinned comment below. Essentially, when the ultrasonic sensor detects an object within 50 centimeters, the Arduino sets the servo to 180 degrees, which opens the bin. The delay keeps it open for 5 seconds. If there is nothing within 50 centimeters, the servo is set to 0 degrees, which closes the bin. An additional hole is required for the battery wires to be fed through. With the battery holder and Arduino mounted, I moved on to making space to mount the servo and feed its wires through. Again, I used my soldering iron for this, but a Dremel or multi-tool might be a better option. I then hot glued the servo and ultrasonic sensor to the bin. Now it was time to do the wiring as per the schematic on screen, so feel free to pause and take a look. I tested that the code is working and drilled 2 holes on the lid. I then tied some solid copper wire through the holes and connected the other end to the servo arm. You can also use some thread to do this. Adjustments might be required, so just test how it works. I then cleaned up the wiring a bit with some tape and moved on to drawing the monster. I hope you'll enjoy my art and craft. My daughter decided to help by scribbling all over it, but that wasn't much of a setback as I traced it onto some cardboard later. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video, leave any feedback in the comments and subscribe for more.